Guess what we are making today? This very beautiful thing. It's called a roast, I think. And this roast's gonna be made by me. I wanna clean it up a little. Yeah, it works for me. And then we're gonna go do what I learned somewhere else. Look at that gorgeous piece. I'll just rinse it off because I like it that way. So here I have a pan and oil in it. I'm gonna sear it like I learned somewhere else, and then we'll see how it goes. It has springs fire, which is okay. I will just sear it, and then when it's done searing both sides, we'll put it in our pot, which is this big thing here we're gonna use, and we'll see how it goes. First time, there is a first time for everything. I need some strength here, I know. Oh my goodness. Okay, I guess not. I use the other tool of mine, which is my hand. Don't do this at the house. Definitely wilding out here. It is. Out. Okay, back to that. Glad they put a string on it. I wouldn't know what to do with it. It is definitely big. If you come up close, it is like one giant piece of meat. I'm working on my muscles. Definitely am. Look at that. Perfect sear. Okay. I got this here. I'm gonna put it in. I'll take this out. It looks perfect to me right now. Just the right amount of sear for this pot cooking. It's called a pot roast for a reason. Smells so good. Okay, we have that, and I'll put in my onions. Okay, now that I've made my onions, I'll gather these onions and I'll put them in here. There you go. Okay, and in there I'll put our meat. There you go. Yeah, pot roasty coming. God, whiz. I'm excited. Okay, back to this step. I got onions stuck in here. Okay, I'm gonna make a sauce, one made by me. Have butter. I'll put a little butter. It's the melting point. Okay, there you go. I'm very right-handed, but I'm trying with my other hand. Go easy on that, and then I'll go with liquid. Woo! Don't try this in the house if you can't cook. You can learn, but don't burn things down. Okay, I'm going with this. Guess what I'm putting? Spice. A little bit of spice, a little bit of sweet, a little bit salty, and a little bit of whatever that is. Ooh, look at this. I left it all on the plate. Okay. There you go. And since I'm making this sauce from scratch, I am gonna put some of this good liquid. If you are over 18, you know what it is. And I'm gonna put a little of this sweet spice, everything nice. Incredibly that flavored. Absolutely nice. What would I add in here? Looks perfect so far. You might decide to add some of that. No, you don't try this. It's just me. And I'm working the knife with my left hand. Miracles do happen. I'll cover that so it simmers and then we're good to go. Alrighty, it looks ready to go. And I have garlic here which I need to smash, definitely. I'll look for the smasher. We found the smasher, and smash we're gonna do. Have you ever seen this? It works like this. Okay, mission accomplished. We're gonna go ba-bam, ba-bam. Alrighty, and this looks like it worked. We're gonna go in like this. Ooh, yo. I'll put more liquid, obviously. Some people use stock. I use this natural liquid called wara, because this is beef. It's probably gonna stock anyway. One last thing we have to do. Find thickener. One thing we find thickener. My kind of thickener is flour. I put in a lot because it will dissolve in the water. Okay, see you on the other side. See you on the other side. We're gonna cook this on, what do they call that? Gonna go high because we want it to be ready today, not tomorrow. Okay, that's my chunk and that's my setup. I might add a little more liquid for cooking purposes. Defrost incoming. Okay. Taste fabulous. Where is my cover? Okay. I'm gonna cover this. I'm gonna pressure cook because, yeah, makes it quicker and probably a better texture. We're gonna pressure cook and I'll see what to do afterwards. I'll go for maybe 1 hour, 1.5. $130, and then I'll keep off the warm and then let's go. Let's be back here to find out how it went down in 1.5 hours. Okay, moment of checking. Okay, here we are at. It looks good so far. I will probably turn it on for more minutes or hours. Look at that. Ooh, it's definitely ready. However, I would love to turn it on more for satisfaction purposes. But look at that liquid, gold liquid. Let's turn it on again and let it take its more time. Let's go. Pot roast we go. Let's see what happened later. Many hours later. Still solid, still ready. It is ready to be eaten. Yep, looks yummy. OMG. I made tortillas. This is gonna go down pretty well with the tortillas. They're not tortillas, but they're chapatis. Same thing, right? Right. Bon appetit. Alrighty, this is how the pot roast turned out. And I'm having mine with flatbread. It looks really good. Yep, I'm gonna definitely sample that. I know you like your tortillas, but today we are doing this way. Ooh, juicy everywhere. I love how it turned out. First time, best time.